With our executive committee, who were recently elected to office to serve until the next Olympics, which is 2024, and the commissions become part of the executive by delegated power, because the executive cannot do everything. So the commission start doing the work. Is the Association of National Olympic Committees of Africa. Hopefully that's the meeting which will be able to let us know what scholarships will be available for athletes in Africa. The next one is our first deputy, Mr. Shadrack Maluki, who has gone to Malindi for some judo assignments. And the third is Bwana Kioni. You must have noticed we had two rally drivers who went to compete in the winter competitions. One of them is the son of Mr. Kioni. So Mr. Kioni is not only a leader but also a father to a sports person. So we'll be happy to know when he comes back.